Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2008 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, FWD, tires front all season, tires rear all season, wheel covers, front disc rear drum brakes, steel wheels, variable speed, intermittent wipers. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.